Hey YouTube. Hey, we did a video this weekend. The next day we went out to our lease and fished at Blackfork Creek. And we had a really great time. Caught lots of perch, kind of took things back to the, to the beginning, the fundamentals of fishing, how we all started with a bobber and a minnow and with for a little worm. And of course, that really didn't produce the results like I wanted, so I put on a little white beetle spin. You know, one of the first things you start learning how to throw when you're a kid, and sure enough, caught several perch and even got a little baby alligator gar on camera. So stay tuned for the video and hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to see if we can catch us some perch today. All right. Let's go catch us some perch. Hope we don't step on us a snake. We'll find some perch here in a minute. We don't find us a cottonmouth first. Got my old trusty bandit with me. Huh, bandit? Let me know if you see a snake, old buddy. Oh. Now, this looks a little perchy right here. Let's see if we can get one. Let's get you out of here. Good boy, bandit. Good boy. You like it? Is it good swimming? Good boy. Good boy, bandit. Hey, look at there. One tree to the next. And that's how you lose a bobber and a hook and every frickin' thing else. Oh, oh. I got one. Oh yeah, that is a pretty, look at that. That thing is pretty, look at that. Look at those colors. I love it. Clearing the area for you.
Perch. Well, I can see under the pond. There ain't nothing there. It's on the rocks.
Yep. Let me shallow you up some.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
That's it.
I was trying to bring it closer.
There you go.
Thank you.
Let me get on the other side of you for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, wait a minute. You're going to go on the other side of it. Like out there.
I don't see any. I don't even see nothing chasing my bait. Got one. Yep. Look at there. Oh, these fish are so pretty. Look at that. Just love catching these little guys. Alright. What are you doing, hunting for crawdads? Oh, got another one. Oh yeah, swallowing that little beetle spin. Come here. Yeah, look at there. Ooh, he's got some spottage on him. Looks good. Love seeing these little guys. Love fishing these little creeks. You never know what you're going to get. You can always catch you a mess of little perch. Anywhere from goggle eyes to green-eared sunfish to we do have some warmouth, although not that common. That sun been out as long as it has been. They may be backed up underneath the shade up here. Let's see here. Oh no! That was luck. Usually you get your beetle spin in a tree, you don't get him back. Let's try this one more time. Not really where I wanted it, but... Oh, there we go. Dang it. I didn't see that little limb hang there. Looks like there's already another beetle spin on that limb. Ooh, got him that time. Ooh, that's a good one. That might be a little small bass. No, it's a little gar. Hey, I caught a gar. Just barely got this little dude hooked. Let's see if I can take him off here. Oh, man. He's in the water. Oh, he's gone. There he goes. That was too cool. Beetle spin. Damn. Oh, that's a good one. Feels like a good one. He's fighting good. He ain't giving up. He ain't giving up. All right, that is a good. That's probably the biggest one I've caught so far. That was a nice one. Look at that. Let's get you over here. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice little perch. Love catching them little things. They're so beautiful. I love all these little markings. Yeah, I don't think there was going to be one underneath there.
Come Been on all four sides now.
All right, we got to pull out the big guns. Here we go. Yeah.
You'll never see nothing now.
All right, we'll let the water clear up.